Hello, hello, hello. It is Donna Davis Bell again from Inspired to Create Facebook group and Shiny Treasure Designs Etsy shop. And I'm also on Instagram. And I have for you again today Design Team Project number 2, my Design Team Project for the month of March for Happiness and Crafting by Kerr. G is an awesome artist, creator, crafter. I mean, she is just awesome. She does things that I do not see anyone else doing. Some really neat things. And you can find her on Instagram, on Facebook. She has Happiness and Crafting on Facebook, Happiness and Crafting on Instagram, on YouTube, and also several other social media platforms. But the kit that I am using for this Design Team project is the Dragonflies and Flowers. It is a beautiful botanical type of kit. And I will put the link to that kit down below, as well as the link to her Etsy shop. Her kits run around $5, and they are loaded with things to use. Lots of fun things to create with. This kit comes with 12 papers. Also comes with 4 pages of ephemera, a total of 34 pieces of ephemera. There's a total of 46 pieces in all in this kit. And like I said, around $5, you can't beat that. I have printed it off on white copy paper to show you. Let's start with the papers, and then we will move on to the ephemera. I love this page. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's got beautiful pastel blues and pinks and greens and creams. She's also had it in. It has dragonflies and flowers and botanicals, script, beautiful wallpaper, and some beautiful like French ephemera ads. Lots of fun you can do with this. You can do collaging. You can do beautiful journals, beautiful boxes, beautiful envelopes. I mean, just so much that you can do with these papers. They're absolutely gorgeous. They will even make beautiful cards. Wouldn't that make a beautiful background for a card? I mean, gorgeous. So much that you can do with this. Beautiful folios. Like this. You can make these. How beautiful would something like this be made out of that? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So there's the first page. Again, I see another journal page. Beautiful card. Beautiful collaging. I mean, look at it from this side even. Tags, pockets, I mean, you name it. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, page number 3. This one can go this way or this way. So pretty. Beautiful botanicals, dragonflies, script. There's like some ledger with numbers back in behind and wallpaper also. Very beautiful. I mean, she is an awesome designer. Just absolutely gorgeous. Here's the next one. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just love it. Gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of the angel trumpet in my yard. Looks like kind of like dragonfly, hydrangeas and a dragonfly and roses. I mean, just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Here's the next one. It has beautiful blue flowers. Again, it says, "May your album ever shine with friendship's glittering hue, and your friendships and your friends who trace line be firm, sincere, and true." And it has like a French, well, I don't know if it's French. It has a soap ad. It says Kindle Manufacturing Company, established in 18 something, and soaps and soaping, Providence, Rhode Island, I think. Beautiful. Beautiful. Again, here's another one. And in this one, she has a French photography ad from Parisine. It has some French in it. Beautiful dragonflies and flowers and script. And again, that beautiful wallpaper. Gorgeous. I love the colors in this kit. Another beautiful page, and for this one she has created like a ledger page and added dragonflies to it. Isn't that gorgeous? How pretty is that? Just beautiful. Just love, love, love it. Here it is again, another one. She has some script, some of that like ledger type of table background there with the numbers and the beautiful dragonflies. Gorgeous. Again, beautiful wallpaper with some ledger and some script down here. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is in a cream. Beautiful background page. She has also given us some beautiful background pages in colors. This one is in like a pink hue. Absolutely gorgeous. Like a wallpaper. And she's already kind of distressed around the edges. So if you're not into distressing, you do not have to do that. It's already done for you. And I have printed these out on white paper. You can print yours out on coffee dyed paper, whatever kind of paper you decide to. Another wallpaper here in the color green. Beautiful. Love that. Absolutely love it. Here it is again in kind of a bluish green. Very pretty. Love these papers. So you're getting 12 papers. And then you also, along with that, you get 10 of these little tags. They can also be used to make little mini envelopes, whatever you decide to make with them. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Aren't those gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. So you get 10 of those. You get a total of 34 pieces of ephemera. You get 10 of these. You get 6 pockets that she's already done for you. And you get 3 for each direction. 3 for the right page, 3 for the left. Aren't those just beautiful? You get 9 ATC, kind of ATC size cards that can be used for tags, cards, or even pockets. Aren't those beautiful? And you could even make little mini envelopes with those as well. You get 1 large envelope and 4 circles. Excuse me. You get 4 of these ovals. So just an awesome, awesome kit. And again, this kit is by Happiness in Crafting by Kerr. And this is the Dragonflies and Flowers kit. And I will put the link directly to this kit below, along with the link to her Etsy shop. And so go on over, grab your kit, and come along and craft along with me. There will be several episodes where we will do this together, just like we did the last one. And please, please subscribe to me on YouTube and go on over and subscribe to Happiness in Crafting, Kerr. Also, I will put her link to her YouTube channel also below. You can find her on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and she also does freebies. You can get those freebie kits in for free in her Facebook group, Happiness in Crafting, or she also has them listed in her Etsy shop. She does a freebie kit every week. It's called a Friday freebie, and you can get those. So go on over and subscribe to her at Happiness in Crafting Facebook group and get your kits. And come on over to Inspired to Create and subscribe to my channel and join us and have some fun with us over there. Also, you can find both of us on Instagram. G is on just about all the social media platforms. I am on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I also have a blog. So come on over and join us and have some fun. Look at this beautiful, beautiful kit. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So come join us and let's have some fun and make a lot of stuff together. Have fun. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.